Let's play Oh Holy Night. Now let's check out the playing pattern for this song. The playing pattern for a full bar is going to be a both, right, right, right. And for half a bar, it's going to be a both and right. Let's play verse 1 slowly. The first chord is a C chord. Ready? And we go. Oh, holy night. The half a bar of F. Stars are brightly, one bar of C. Shining. It is the half a bar of C. Night of the half a bar of G. Dear Saviors, one bar of C. Birth. C again. C chord. Long lay the world in half bar of F. Sin in error, one bar of C. Pining till hear half a bar of E minor. Peer and the half a bar of B. So fell is one bar of E minor. Worth a one bar of G. Thrill of hope, the one bar of C. Weary soul rejoices for one bar of G. Yonder breaks a one bar of C. New and glorious morn. Now let's play verse 1 smoothly. Ready? 1, 2, ready, C chord, go. C.
Oh, holy night,
half a bar of F. One bar of C. Half a bar of C. Half a bar of G. Back to C. C again. Half a bar of F. Back to C. Half a bar E minor. Half a bar of B. Back to E minor. One bar of G. One bar of C. One bar of G. One bar of C. Hey there, loving this tutorial? Then you've got to check out my Christmas song ebook. It's packed with 32 holiday tunes, complete with chords, chord charts, song lyrics, and playing patterns to make your life easy. Download instantly so you can bring it to your parties, jam with your friends, or just add some Christmas vibes to your home. Grab your copy now in the description link below. Now let's play chorus slowly. Ready? First chord A minor, and we go. Fall on your one bar of E minor, knees. O, one bar of D minor. Hear the angels, A minor. Voices. O, half a bar of C. Night, half a bar of G. Night, half a bar of C. Divine, half a bar of F. O, half a bar of C. Night, half a bar of G. When Christ was one bar of C. Born and one bar of G. O, night, half a bar of C. Divine, half a bar of F. O, half a bar of C. Night, half a bar of G. O, night, D, one bar of C. Vine. Now let's play chorus smoothly. Ready? First chord A minor and go. E minor. D minor. A minor. Half bar coming up, half a bar of C, half a bar of G, half a bar of C, half a bar of F, half a bar of C, half a bar of G, 1 bar of C, and G, half a bar of C, half a bar of F, half a bar of C, half a bar of G, back home to C. Now we're gonna combine the full song, verse 1 and chorus, smoothly. Ready, C, chord, and we go. C. Half a bar of F, and C. Half a bar of C, half a bar of G, back home to C. Again on C. Half a bar of F, back to C. Half a bar E minor, half a bar of B, back to E minor, 1 bar. And G, back home to C. And G, back to C. Chorus, A minor, E minor, D minor, A minor. Half bar coming up, half a bar of C, half a bar of G, half a bar of C, half a bar of F, half a bar of C, half a bar of G, back home to C. Last line, and G, half bars coming up, half a bar of C, half a bar of F, half a bar of C, half a bar of G, back home to C. And we end on C. Hey there, thanks for watching, and I hope you find this video helpful. I've got more piano techniques, music theory, and tutorials coming your way, so stay tuned. If you think this channel is helping you reignite your passion for piano playing, do like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.